The collision scene shows significant damage to the container ship, with oil visibly leaking into the water. Lisa, can you coordinate the environmental response while Rick manages vessel traffic in the area?
The oil spill's extent is currently undetermined, but projections indicate significant contamination along the shoreline. What specific resources can we allocate to expedite recovery? Got it. We'll gather more information to clarify the situation. I'll coordinate with the response teams to assess the spill's boundaries and potential impacts.
Current vessel traffic in the area is moderate, with several vessels approaching the spill site. The risks to other vessels include potential collisions and exposure to hazardous conditions.